Hello everyone, welcome back to DP Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a simple client delay claim analysis in Primavera P6 Desktop step by step. This is our simple project schedule with start date as 1st April 2026. We have these 6 activities. Assume all activities have finished to start relationships. After this, press F9 to schedule the project. You will get the end date as April 23rd, 2026. This is your original planned finish date. Nothing but original commitment before any client delay happens. Now, we need to freeze this original schedule as a baseline. Go to Project and then click on Maintain Baselines. Click Add, then choose. Save a copy of the current project as a new baseline. Name it BL1. Original Approved Plan. Click Close. Now go to Project and then click on Assign Baselines. Set this as Project Baseline Primary Baseline. Now your original schedule is saved safely. Now let's simulate a client delay. Assume that after PCC work, the project could not continue because the client delayed drawing approval. So we will insert one new activity. Client Drawing Approval. Delay with duration as 6 days. Give the activity ID as A1025 so that it is placed between PCC work and foundation work. New logic will become PCC work followed by client drawing approval delay. With is succeeded by foundation work and remove the PCC to foundation work link. So the flow is now A1000 to A1010 to A1020 to A1025 to A1030 to A1040 to A1050. This new activity represents a delay event caused by the client. Now press F9 again. Primavera will recalculate the project dates. You will now see that the finish date of the project has moved forward to April 29th, 2026 because of the inserted client delay activity. Now we will compare original finish date from the baseline new impacted finish date from the current schedule. To do this, add these columns. Go to View and then Columns. Add Baseline Start, Baseline Finish, Start, Variance, Finish, Variance. Now check the last activity, which is a 1050 slab work. You will notice that the project finish date is delayed. Because we inserted a 6-day client approval delay activity, the finish variance should also increase approximately by that number of working days, depending on calendar logic. Now the analysis becomes very simple. You can say, original project finish date was based on the approved baseline. A client-caused delay occurred due to drawing approval pending. This delay was inserted into the schedule as a fragment or delay activity. After scheduling, the project finish moved by 6 days. Therefore, the contractor can justify an extension of time claim of 6 days subject to contract terms and concurrent delay review. This is the basic concept of delay claim analysis in Primavera P6. To make your analysis more visual, go to the Gantt chart and enable baseline bars. Now you will see 1 bar for the original baseline, 1 bar for the current impacted schedule. This visual difference makes it very easy to explain the delay to clients, management, or site teams. Simple claim statement. You can publish to teams or in reports as due to the client drawing approval delay inserted after PCC work, the downstream activities shifted forward. The impacted schedule finish date moved by 6 days compared to the approved baseline. Hence, this event creates a measurable entitlement for extension of time, subject to contract conditions. And that's how you create a simple delay claim analysis in Primavera P6 Desktop, step by step. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more practical Primavera P6 tutorials on DP Tutorials. In the next video, we can go one level deeper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.